Welcome back to my channel. So I'm cooking Christmas dinner, brown stew, cowfoot with cow skin. I haven't eaten this in 12 years. I mean, this was so delicious. The texture, cowfoot. If you're Jamaican or any Caribbean country, if you ever had cowfoot, you know, cowfoot is delicious. It's when you finish cook cowfoot and it's done, it's sticky like you ever eat bubble gum? Oh my god, it was so good. I said this was so good and so I mean it was so rich in my tummy, so delicious. When you make money, you gotta eat good. Yes, my people, I'm back to vlogging. I'm back to it. Your boy Flossy is back. I've been gone for a month, you know and I'm back to it. Oh my god, this was so delicious with some white rice, Christmas dinner. Oh my god, I enjoyed this so much. I cooked 5 pounds of cow foot with cow skin. And here's my beautiful white rice, basmati rice. Yes, my peeps. Rice well cooked, nice. Well done, well cooked, not burnt. Yes, my peeps. It was a good one. Had some good eating, man. I just back to the Cowfoot again. I have to show you with the Cowfoot again. Oh my god. It just was so delicious with a lot of cow skin. Brown stew, Jamaican style. People, I love y'all and I'll see you again.